Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. For today's trade of the day, we would like to take a look at Aussie dollar. So what I have here is Aussie dollar on the 4 hours, and on the 4 hours, the market structure is pretty clear, right? Generally, we are on a long-term uptrend where market is actually making higher highs and higher lows, right? And where price currently is at now, it looks like price is actually poised to make one more swing low, all right, before a push and for price to move in its continued uptrend direction. All right, so if we were to draw a trend line connecting the lows, be careful not to cut the candle bodies, right? You actually see that there's still a bit of room to go towards the ascending trend line support. And very quickly, let's take a look on the 1 hour where we will start looking for intraday trade setups. So on a 1 hour, this is really the area that I want to focus. I want to draw an ascending trend line support from this last swing low, all right? And all the way, we see that this trend line was actually touched once, twice, and a third time. Further, we actually have this zigzag pattern where price is making this zigzag. So let's use Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. And we see that the 100% extension is in line with the ascending trend line support. If we look to the left, we also see that price has actually made a graphical swing low. All right, so this could very well be our take profit level. So it seems like price could drop on the intraday down to this take profit level at 0.73612. Right now, what's left is for us to look for the entry and also the stop loss. So in terms of entry, we can actually use Fibonacci retracement of this last swing movement, right, from the high to where price currently is. And we also, I have already put out the Fibonacci levels here. We can see that the negative 61.8 Fibonacci retracement is also finding confluence with the 100% Fibonacci extension level in line with the long-term H4 ascending trend line support, right? So our take profit is definitely a very strong level. And what we want to do now is to look at our entry, which I would choose at the 50% retracement, which is also in line with a graphical overlap resistance. So we have a sell entry over here in line with the graphical overlap resistance, in line with 50% Fibonacci retracement. Last but not least, we want to know where to put our stop loss, and by definition, the stop loss is always the level which we know for sure that our trade is wrong. So I'm going to put the stop loss at the last swing high, the previous swing high, back it up a bit to prevent the trade from being prematurely stopped out. All right, and we see that the risk reward, right, is fairly reasonable. Last but not least, we can also include momentum indicators such as moving averages and MACD. And we see that price has broken below the moving average and MACD is starting to cross below zero, showing a build-up in bearish momentum. All right, so thanks for all the time that we have for today. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.